Why should we buy the Zebozap TV mount, you may ask? Alright, today we are gonna look at an unboxing session of the Zebozap TV mount, right? This is an outdoor TV mount. So when you open the box, you could see the TV mount. It's in black, and in this small box right here, you would have the two straps. Okay, these straps are already connected to our state-of-the-art ratchets. Okay, we have two of these, and the ratchets are all stainless steel. The straps are all weatherproof. Alright, it's amazing. Okay, now next, this TV mount right here, it's black in color, it's sturdy, it's heavy, it's made out of stainless steel, right? So yeah, I'm gonna put this at the side. Alright, next we have this long box over here, and this holds our main plate. Okay, in this main plate, okay, you'll open the box. It is covered with extra padding. Alright, we just take it out. This is also made with stainless steel. It's heavy, it's sturdy. Alright, put this at the side. Next, alright, next. Okay, yeah, this is just some padding for you to make sure your parcel comes to you safely. Alright, next we have these sets of bolts, nuts, screws, extra. Okay, you may use it, you may not use it. It's up to you guys. It's up to you. And we also have this hex key for you to use it later. Alright, okay, see you on the next video. Bye-bye.